今日はひらがなのはからもの書き方を教えております。We will begin with the hiragana ha. Ha requires a vertical line first, with a tick at the end, followed by a horizontal line, and then another vertical line. At this point, you want to do a loop. This is the hiragana ha. Once again, stroke order 1, 2, and then 3. The second hiragana word we will learn today is the hiragana hi. Hi is also a one-stroke character. First upwards, then back downwards. At this point, you loop back upwards, and then you end up with another tick mark. It's almost like a ramp. This is the hiragana hi. Hiragana character hu. Hu starts off with a tick mark, followed by a curve with a check mark at the end, another slight tick mark, and then finally a third slight tick mark. This is the hiragana hu. The next hiragana we will learn today is the hiragana he. He is a one-stroke hiragana. First off, upwards, and then downwards. Almost like the roof of a house. This is the hiragana he. The next hiragana we will learn today is the hiragana ho. Ho starts off with a vertical line, ending with a check mark, and then 2 horizontal lines. There's no little check mark, my pen slipped. And then afterwards, a vertical line, and then a loop at the end. Remember, there is no slight mark above this horizontal line. Also, there's also no little check mark at the end of this line as well. My pen slipped. Start off with the first 2 horizontal lines, parallel to each other, and then a vertical line going downwards, and then a loop at the end. This is the hiragana ma, and there's no check mark at this point as well. Notice that here, it goes above the 2 parallel lines. The next hiragana we will learn today is the hiragana mi. Mi starts off with a upward caret almost. Down here, we loop back upwards here, and then following another vertical line. This is the hiragana mi. The next hiragana we will learn today is the hiragana mu. Mu starts off with a horizontal line, then a downwards line, and then a loop, connecting back to here, going back down, here we curve, and then at the end we do a check. After that, the final line is a tick, the side. This is the hiragana. The next hiragana we will learn today is the hiragana me. Me starts off with a downward sloping line. Next off, we have another sloping line downwards in the opposite direction. And then at this point, you loop back upwards and curve back down. And then at this point, you end. Now in nu, you have a curve, you have a loop here. However, me does not have this loop. This is the hiragana me we will learn today, is the hiragana mo. They're first off with 2 horizontal lines, 1, 2, and then after this part, you have shi. And this is the hiragana mo. Start off with 1, 2, and then the hiragana shi. And this makes the hiragana mo.